Service. Toys collected, activate.
At your service, sir.
On this video, we will unbox 30 DLX collectible War Machine Mark II. This fully articulated collectible figure stands at 6.9 inches tall, and it's constructed of 30's renowned DLX die-cast system with over 48 points of articulation. Okay, here's the figure. First in-hand impression, wow! Sobrang solid nito. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-paint job. Yung mechanical engineering design is really accurate with the movie. Yes! Sobrang lupit nito. What a great detailing design on head sculpt. Actually, ito talaga yung itsura talaga ni War Machine sa movie. Kuwang-kuwa yung paneling line, and yung aluminum silver effect pagkaka-paint nito is really good. Yung pagka-furnish nitong black, it looks like a matte black finish. It's really the looks of the War Machine. Yes! There's a decal of Air Force. At front, there's the Lieutenant Colonel James Rhodes. On his left, ED-445.
Code for the 445th Flight Test Squadron out of Edwards Air Force Base.
And the Mark, the War Machine, the Mark II. Sobrang ganda nito. The best reason to collect this kind of figure is this is a die-cast. Second, the great articulation of having 48 points. And really heavy. This is the direct alternative version of the Iron Patriot, which we have seen on the movie Iron Man 3. So I guess James Rhodes decided to paint it as a War Machine looks. So pinalitan lang nila yung blue and red color scheme, pinalit lang ng War Machine looks ng black and silver. It really pops the accurate looks of the War Machine. Sobrang ganda. On his back-mounted cannon, so ito rin yung looks nung sa Iron Patriot niya. It has also a great articulations. Pwedeng up, down. On his articulations, so let's start with the head. Sa head, down, up, tilt, side by side. Okay. Notice that there's articulation on its shoulder pads. You may lift it up, and you may be able to achieve better articulations on hands. Down, rotation, 360 degree. We do have a bicep swivel motion here. There's a double jointed elbow on that far. Oh, nice. It has also a great crunch forward, lean backward, pull down of legs, swivel motion on thigh. And you may lift this panel to reach much more articulations. Good front and back leg raise. And double jointed on knees are great as well. And nice foot articulations. Look at this. Oh, nice. So here's the side-by-side comparison with the Iron Patriot from 30 DLX collectible also. So there is no difference at all aside on paints. Wow, nice collectible figures. Guys, this is a die-cast. Wow. And now I'm putting the two attachable gauntlet microcannons.
I didn't say you could leave. War Machine coming at you.
All of the action figures from 30 brand has LED light up features, both on the chest and eyes. The only problem here is there's no lining of red light here on his chest and also on his eyes. So pwede na mating remedyohan yan. Lalagyan lang natin ng clear red paint. The figure also includes one DLX action stand. There are also pairs of effect parts. One pair of shooting effects and one pair of flying effects for the feet. So that's it mga ka-toys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Kindly reconsider to give us like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates like this. And see you on my next video!